Hello everybody and welcome by my new devlog from Monument Rivals. My name is Gino and I'm going to show you what is new in this version. So to start with in this new version we have now a new game menu where you can select which player you are, and you can now play with 4 players instead of only with 2. You can also choose if you are human or AI, or must I say that AI is not currently working yet, so you have to do with other people and play with other people. Also, you can choose now, instead of 2 monuments, you can choose up to 4 monuments, and later it will be till 6 monuments. So that is the first important update that I wanted to show you in this new version. And let's put this all together. Also, what is new in this version is that we have now music. Yay! So that's something that I actually like to see in this new version. So to start, in this new game, there are some new changes in this particular version. The first change in this version is that I changed a lot of the UI right now. It's still not working as 100% I want to be, or wanted to have to be, but yeah, you know, it's getting better at each iteration, and I hope that I can chase it one more time and then it will work. Another thing that is new in this game, play for a while. So there is already a new tile with a green spot with a star in it, and that means a special bonus, but it's not currently working yet. I'm still working on it. But what it basically should do is that you can choose one of the resources and you get 1+1 of that resource. So that is something that I want to add so that pacing up the gameplay eventually. A second new feature in the game is the trade option. So now you can trade with the bank, so also up the gameplay pace. You can only do it with the bank. I want to do it later with other players, but for now it's only bank only. So if you say I want 1 extra stone, you can trade 1 resource for 3 of yours. So keep in mind the bank asks for more resources from you than you from them. Also, if you ask more, the bank will also ask more resources from you to deliver. So for example, the bank wants 12 other resources, but if I want only 1, the bank will only ask 3 other resources. And you can combine this if you want. So if you say I want 2 stone and 1 steel for 1 wood, you can do that. So you don't need to say, oh, 3 steel or something. You can say, oh, no, I have just enough steel for that and just enough stone to trade for 1 wood. Totally fine, he will accept that. I'm also fixing some the camera fixing. Sometimes the camera was a little bit bugging and sometimes it didn't work as what I intended when it showed like the menu. Also, when you start the game, everything will be also set to 0, so keep in mind it's so for demo purposes. What are the things that I want to add or change in the later version? First of all, I want to complete this whole environment because it's still not finished yet. That's something what I want to do. Second is building an AI. Third is I want to fix a lot of these sabotage cards because we have now more things to sabotage. Because for mostly it was only stone that you deliver or exchange for one piece of your building. Now it is wood, stone and steel, so keep in mind. So I have to keep in mind, I should actually keep in mind that sabotage must be a little bit more expended on it. And for mostly you know, steel, stone, steel, wood now, steel, or loose steel, or you know, I can now make more different type of sabotage right now. Instead of 8, I can maybe bump it up to 16, maybe 20 if I being creative as well. Another thing that I want to do is also fixing some textures. There are some textures that doesn't work, you know, are a little bit weird, like you can see it from the Eiffel Tower, for instance. The texture feels weird, and I want to change that as well. Also, the Leaning Tower of Pisa and the Atomius has to be changed in texture as well. There was some problem when I did it, when I made some of the textures, and especially when I included illusion. There has to be a little bit change in the Leaning Tower of Pisa. I have to do some 3D work in it, so I have to change some 3D work, so it is full and ready. For foremost, I'm just now coloring the, let me show you actually, the Empire State Building. And I'm also working out the Empire State Building ornaments around it. You can also see the texture has also been changed. So that's something that I have to work on and have to think about how I can solve this problem. But I want to also have more ornaments and, you know, a little bit more personality to the Empire State Building. It is now just colored. You know, you want to have more in it, like the Eiffel Tower. If you build it up, it has, you know, it feels already personalized. And the same for the Big Ben and for the pyramid. They already look this way as I want it to be. So that is something that I wanted to change. I want to also make some options for the music and sound effects because they are not in here. And I also want to create a tutorial in this game because, you know, nobody knows exactly 100% to play this game. And then this last one, I want to do a lot of polishing game. I got a lot of feedback from people already from polishing works that I should take in consideration, and I put this already on my backlog, so I will figure out if I wanted to put this in as well. I got also a suggestion by one person for online play. I will definitely go into that, but I only look at that if everything works correctly and does everything, because making something like online play costs a lot of time and a lot of pressure on it. So firstly I want to focus more locally than online connectivity. So that's something that I cannot promise you that I will eventually put it in the game, but I will certainly look at it as a possibility, because, you know, people are going to ask me anyway. But for now, I will leave it here by this, and I'm going to work further on the fixes and on slowly more on the AI. And well, it's already up to play on this day. So if you want to try, test, or play it, you can do this today. There's a link to my itch.io page. I will also send a copy to somebody who wants to test it. So it's totally free. You have nothing to pay for it, because it's still like playtesting and everything around it. And feedback is always welcome in this regard. So I hope I did a good amount of information for you, and I hope that you give this a try, and I will see you the next time in my next video update of Monument Rivals. Goodbye.